Hey, buddy, can you help me out real quick? I saw a car online. I just have a few questions for you.
Yeah, which one?
It was a white Mustang, I think.
Like the donkey on it, or the horse?
I'm pretty sure Mustang's a horse, but yeah, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Do you know where that one's at?
The white one?
Yeah, the white one.
That one?
That looks like it.
Okay, go.
Yeah, this is the one. This one, it's pretty cool. Do you know how fast it is? Like, what's the 0 to 60 in this?
It goes to 60. Sure does.
Oh yeah, no, this is nice. What's the 5.0 mean?
It's special. It means it's got 5. It's the 5 Mustangs. It's 5.
Oh, what's the GT stand for though? I've never seen that before.
It means great traction. Great traction.
Great traction.
Yeah.
Oh, so does that mean there's special tires on it or something?
Yeah, they're upgraded.
Oh, how does that work?
It means they're better. So.
Oh, the interior is pretty nice. What type of seats are these?
They're cushioned.
This is leather?
It can be. Do you like leather?
I do like leather. That's what I was
leather.
looking for. So everything with this car is it's stock, right? Nothing. I don't have anything to worry about because I know these Mustang owners, they do some silly stuff.
100% stock.
I mean, it sounded a little loud, but I mean, if you say it's stock, I guess that's fine.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
I mean, oh, okay.